Welcome back to Mouse to House Campers, folks. Here today, a 2006 Autosleeper Nuevo, and this is the ES model, which stands for extra seats, but we'll come to that shortly when we go inside. So it's a 2006 model. Wait for it, it's had one owner from brand new, 13,000 miles. Yes, I repeat, one owner, 13,000 miles. The last gentleman unfortunately had to give up driving a few months ago. This was his retirement present to himself. So obviously he was not very happy to wave it goodbye, but he's had his driving licence revoked. So here's an opportunity for the next owner to enjoy it for many years to come with the legendary Autosleeper fiberglass body shell. They really are built to last. I'm sure you know that yourself if you're listening, folks, and you've done all your homework. These really are the Rolls-Royce of motorhomes. So as you can see outside, the bodywork's in beautiful condition. As you would expect, it's been his pride and joy. Just been super fussy or a bit picky. It's just got some small cracks to the stripes, just on the silver. So perhaps the next owner may touch them in or put some new stripes and decals on. Please remember it's 13 years old. I know it doesn't look 13 years old. Made in Great Britain. Autosleepers, still making them at the same factory in Gloucester. The production line's been going for 50 years non-stop. These really are a desirable sought after motorhome. Again, just it's not too bad on this side, just a couple of little cracks. I'd suggest being out in the sun for 13 years. So you've got the winter cover off over the Trauma hot water heater that works on gas. You've got there for your main suck up. In here is your gas bottles and your cassette toilet, and in here for the flush for the toilet. We've got the tap there for the grey, the wastewater. Opposite, nicely neatly fitted, is the same for the fresh water. Leisure step, Fioma 2-bite rack, let's have a look under the bonnet. This is the 2.2 turbo diesel. Quite powerful and economical power plant. There you go, the Peugeot diesel engine. A couple of months ago it had a brand new engine battery, and only yesterday, after our checks on all the leisure equipment which we found to be working, the leisure battery rather was only at 80% holding charge, so we've renewed that. So you've got two new batteries. It's just been serviced 2 days ago. Had a full service, oil, fuel, filters, as well as a fuel filter and an MOT. Not a single advisory. Clean as a whistle. The MOT inspector commented on how nice it was underneath. You can go online, folks, spec check and check with DVLA website the registration number, and that will show you all the MOT and from new and all the mileage stacking up as it should do. That buzzer is just letting you know that the leisure step is out. power steering. There you go, 13,984 miles. Electric windows, central locking. We've got electrically operated mirrors, 4-way for the blind spot mirrors as well. Spotless. Both of the front seats swivel, they're both captain swivel, so they swivel inwards to create more living space or make extra long single beds. So you've got the leisure battery underneath here. Let's pop inside. In fact, it's that clean, I'm going to wipe my shoes and then take my shoes off. So it's the 4-berth ES model. So ES stands for extra seats. So both of these opposing sofa benches split out and they create 2 forward facing seats. So that cushion there will create the back of the seat there. This front cushion slides forward and you'll have 2 forward facing seats, and they've both got 3-point seat belts and headrests. Very clever design by Autosleepers. So we've got the fold up steps there, they just clip on here. Also this can be folded up out of the way to create more headspace at the front. Look at those carpets. Spotless. So as you can see there, that spins round, so does the driver's seat here. See if we can click that into operation. And there you can see, but those will spin all the way around. Lovely blinds and fly nets. We've got the master control panel, the ultra heat, so the heating will work on 2 kilowatt mains as well as 501 kilowatt settings, and you've also got here the hot water will work on gas or 240 mains electricity. Last owner has left his steps in, some spare wiper blades, mains hook up, all beautifully presented. He's even got his mains hook up converter lead. We've got the status power amplifier for the TV aerial. You've got the 2 tabletops there and the table legs. Yeah, it wants for nothing, this motorhome, other than a new owner. All important wine cabinet. It's even got the original wine glasses. So we've got some mains, sockets, TV aerial hookup, radio isolation switch, so I presume that means you could operate the radio from inside without draining the leisure battery, the engine battery. We've got a pop-out table, giving more kitchen space. We've got the 3-way fridge, operating on gas, mains or 12 volt. There's the gas just popped in. I'll just put it on 12 volt now. large ice tray. Let's put the water on. Hot and cold running water. Three burner hob and one mains operated hob. Bit tricky to get the gas operated now while we've got the camera as well. Toilet. Hot and cold shower. Hand basin. Again, nice blinds all the way through. Beautiful. So we've got the gas as well as mains operated fire. So we just operate the gas from here with the igniter and the pilot light is inside there. Or you can operate the central heating and that'll give blown out hot air from here as well as the front, and also it will blow out into the shower and toilet area. Literally central heating. Just move my shoes out of the way. So got a nice bin liner there. Tray for cutlery. Lots of under storage. Outside light. Hokey roof light and blackout blinds and fly net. And that's about it. I'll do a quick walk around outside once more, but just to recap, it's a 2006 Autosleeper Nuevo, one owner from new, 13,000 miles, and with it being the ES model, you can convert this to 4 forward facing seats with 3-point seat belts. Bodywork is in fantastic condition. It's being super critical. Couple of marks or rips on a couple of the stripes. I'll be happy to answer any sensible questions. 9 AM till 9 PM, 7 days a week, folks. 0798 526 1078. I repeat, 0798 526 1078. I'll personally hand deliver this and drive it to anywhere in the United Kingdom. And just get the train back if you're happy to proceed and purchase. I'll even consider a part exchange, a car, motorbike, camper. Just pick up the phone. And thanks for listening and watching this YouTube video. As always, if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you'll be the first to be notified of any new stock coming along. I do tend to specialise in auto sleepers, and examples like this don't last long.